perfect oven baby back ribs recipe. Fall off the bone baby back ribs recipe. Let's get into this video. Okay, everyone. Here I have 2 slabs of baby back ribs. I am going to pull the membrane off the back of both of my baby back ribs. Okay, so pat dry your ribs with some paper towel. Okay, so I like to cut the ends off like so. Y'all see that? Okay, make the rib look better. And I'm gonna cut this end off right here. If you got some scissors that can grip it and cut it, a knife or whatever, just cut it on off like that. That's a fat piece. Okay. It's still gonna cook that meat right now. I'm gonna cook it still. Okay, so these are the seasonings that I use to make my rub. I have some brown sugar. I use 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I use some cayenne pepper, some paprika, but this is smoked paprika. I use some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some salt. You can use kosher salt, okay? Lemon pepper seasoning, and I use some chili powder. Exact measurements will be in the description box below of these seasonings and the amounts that I use to make my rib rub, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and make the rib rub, and I'm going to put the rib rub on my baby back ribs. I'm gonna put some oil on it, a little vinegar on the ribs, and then I'm gonna put the rib rub on both sides, the front and the back. Okay, so I'm gonna put some vinegar. This is an apple cider vinegar, just a little bit. On the rib. Next, I'm gonna put some oil on the front and the back of the ribs. Okay, so that's on the front and the back. See here, everyone, I have put my rib rub on the front and the back side of both slabs of ribs. And foil very, very tightly, okay? I'm gonna wrap them separately in the foil.
Did it, Mother?
Okay, set your timer for 3 hours. Okay, so while my ribs are still cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make the glaze. I'm going to use 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Use any kind of barbecue sauce that you like. I'm using the hickory smoked barbecue sauce by Kraft. It's slow simmered, and I'm just going to use 1 cup. Okay. Okay. They say about a half a cup. But it's okay, I got some more barbecue sauce. Then I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of honey. Come on now, y'all know honey come out slow, real slow. So that's about 1 tablespoon. Then that's about 2 tablespoons of honey right there. And remember to add in about 1 cap of apple cider vinegar. This is for our glaze for our ribs. We're gonna glaze both sides, the front and the back, when they are done after 3 hours. You can cook for 2 hours and 30 minutes to 3 hours. Okay, and you just mix your glaze for your barbecue sauce together like so. Okay, so our next step is to take our ribs out of the oven and glaze them with the barbecue sauce. Okay, so it has been 2 hours and 30 minutes, and I'm going to unwrap my ribs to check them so that we can put the glaze on it. Set that one to the side. This was the end piece. I'm going to flip these over. Okay. So yeah, it's ready to be unwrapped. Take this and throw this away. So y'all see the rib? It's nice, tender. Ooh. This is the back side of the rib, everybody, and you can see how tender they are. Let me get a close look for y'all. Okay, see they tender? When the meat starts pulling from the bone, you can still see that seasoning on there, the flavor, and that's the ends that I cut off right there. Okay, so we're gonna glaze the back and the front side of the ribs. Okay, so I'm gonna glaze this one first, y'all. That little end piece. Let me let y'all see the top of this one. Let me let y'all see the top of the rib. Okay. Okay, so now y'all see it. Now, you know it's not gonna have the same color as it would on the grill with a smoke ring. It's gonna be nice. Very tender. Falling off the bone. When you place them back in the oven, place them uncovered, okay? Up like this. And we're gonna turn on broil, and we're gonna hit it under the broiler for 5 minutes, or at least until you get a nice crispiness on the top, okay? Okay, everybody, so this is the finished product of the ribs. You have to let them sit for about 10 or 15 minutes before you decide to cut them and serve them. But this is how you make some delicious ribs. Beautiful. Fall off the bone with the glaze on them. In your oven for your family, for your friends, or whoever you're cooking for, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make some delicious baby back ribs in your oven that taste really, really good. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video out with each and everyone you know. And thanks for joining me Cooking with TK today on these delicious oven baked barbecue ribs. Okay, so I cut one of the ribs so I can add this to my video so y'all can see how tender it is. Ooh, it's still hot, but y'all see that? It's very tender and it's beautiful. Beautiful. So hit it on the broiler. I didn't put it on the top rack. I put it on the bottom rack until you get it to look like this. So I'll say about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. You'll see the color come on like this, and then you'll know it's ready. So see how easy it is to break just with your hand. I did that. So I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Y'all have a beautiful and blessed rest of y'all week. Enjoy your weekend.